800 days ago, me and my family, we left the U.S. and moved to Asia.
你好，我叫悉尼，我是美国人，和我吃马来西亚，我喜欢吃面条。
Me, goddamn price of living is too damn high.
Literally just working to pay bills.
I need a break from this.
Life in the U.S., it's just not working anymore.
Some leave because of rising costs, racial tensions, or political shifts. Others just want more freedom, more adventure, more peace, or just a better quality of life. Having a plan B isn't about fear, it's about options.
So you're probably wondering, how were we able to just pack up and move our entire family to Asia? Well, my husband, being a visionary entrepreneur and a little bit crazy at times, he started a business in Atlanta, Georgia, building micro homes and treehouse style vacation rentals. We later planted those roots in upstate New York, not far from where I grew up. What started as a dream in Atlanta became the foundation for everything that came next. Over the past 8 years, that wild idea has grown into something real, a business that now takes care of our entire family.
We built Finger Lakes Treehouse with our own hands. My wife, my kids, and me. 8 weeks of sawdust, sweat, sleepless nights, chasing a dream we thought defined us. And when it was finally finished, I looked around and realized something. In building that dream, we were running out of the one thing you couldn't rebuild. Time.
So on site, we have to keep the kids busy. And one way we keep them busy is I do allow them to utilize a lot of my tools in a safe way. Check it out. What you doing?
Daddy, can you help me?
Yes, baby, I can help you.
Daddy, I want you to do this.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, hammer and screws and stuff? All right. Good job, baby.
I thought building a dream would be the easy part, but the hardest part wasn't the work. It was holding everything else together while we did it. Success looked amazing from the outside, but inside, we were drained, disconnected, and quietly breaking. The harder we worked to hold on, the more we felt it slipping away. My wife, she watched me slip away into a dream, but I believed in what I was doing. It was for us. So she stood beside me, and I always heard her voice, keep on going, just one more, just one more.
Morning, and the day begins. This is week 4, and everyone's exhausted, everyone's tired, and pretty much the rains are coming today. As you can see, very gloomy. What we're doing right now, got the boys tarping all the buildings in the background. We got to protect it, all the openings from getting wet. But as you know, work cannot stop. We have to continue going on. Work will not stop. Good morning. Hey, some great work yesterday. We pulled a 18-hour day yesterday. And then we slept for 3. Guys are back up. We have donuts in the morning, breakfast sandwiches. My Spanish crew, they are on site making breakfast. A little cook stove they have. Check this out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Number 5 is going up today. We're killing it.
So why did we decide to move to Asia and leave the US? We decided because we were looking for something different, first and foremost. The other reason is we really felt like we were running at 100 miles an hour and there was never an opportunity to slow down. Once we got to Asia, we saw the beauty of the different countries that we visited, which we'll talk about, the 11 Southeast Asian countries we visited, the beauty of the people, the amazing culture. And then I quickly realized how small our bubble was in the US, and quite frankly, how small the US itself is compared to the world. It was super eye-opening for both myself and Daryl, and also for our children.
For me, the reason why I decided to make my family leave to go to Asia is simply because we traveled there several years back. We loved it. And pretty much for me, when you're able to see low prices, low cost of living, low cost of food and gasoline, and then coming back to the US, once you see it, you can never unsee it again. So you guys probably all want to know how our kids are thriving, how they're fitting in these Asian countries and schools. Well, let me tell you. So our kids are doing really well. They are trilingual. Both of our girls right now who are in school, they're learning additional languages. They already got English, Mandarin, and they're learning small bits of Japanese. So when they come back to the US and eventually in the future, they'll be really deadly. They're really thriving.
Yeah. I think another thing is the girls are being challenged academically. So what we've learned about the Asian schools is they truly believe in pushing the students, especially in math and science. And so that's been something that the girls have had to rise to the occasion, but they have been pushed very well, and they're fitting in and loving their journey. Letting go was not easy. It meant walking away from everything we built. The noise, the comfort, even the idea of what success was supposed to look like. And yes, it meant giving up that consistent paycheck, the one that hits every 2 weeks in your bank account. The golden handcuffs that keeps us so many Americans in a box, stuck inside the matrix. But when we finally let it go, something shifted. For the first time in years, we could breathe again.
I think it's amazing to experience being in Thailand.
For me, I stopped chasing the American dream. I stopped chasing followers, the algorithm, and started chasing laughter and time with the ones that I love. I'm no longer in any of these places, but every frame carries a piece of me, of who I am, and what my family has done. What we're doing is documenting something, not knowing that we were meant to document it. This is not for me. It's for the people to see that living a different way of life is something that's achievable and attainable. What we're going to do is document 3 years of our life for the world to see. Please like and follow. See you soon.